So pretty.
誒，我揾到個 wallet 盒。
哦，
不過都可能係長少少。
咦，攞到啊！
呢個大少少啦，希望。
It's not detachable, so you can't remove the chain. Typically, I would love rainbows. It's like a candy crush. By charm chains. Also, this is the scarf square that I ordered. It's really big, and it's being delivered to my home later this afternoon. But I'm at LV to pick up the other goodies. Let's boxing it up. The new Attrap Rev bottle, Imagination, and O. Super cute. It's really thick and sturdy. Well, it's all wrapped up for me. These are my stuff. They don't have a small box, but they're gonna get me one from another store. I'm late in the game, and the CAs here have been very helpful because my CA is off on leave, and she asked others to help me to wrap everything nicely, and they're giving me the Christmas December packaging, which I have yet to unbox. So they're hiding the actually might want to get this shawl. I didn't order it, but I was looking at it. I might consider it. What do you guys think? Looks kind of yellow compared to, maybe it's the lighting. I think it's the lighting. That's the one I got.